If you want to unlink your Deliveroo account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open Facebook settings. Log into your Facebook account and click on the downward arrow in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 2. Navigate to Apps and Websites. In the left sidebar of the Settings page, find and click on Apps and Websites. This section shows all the apps and services linked to your Facebook account. Step 3. Find Deliveroo. Scroll through the list of apps until you locate Deliveroo. Click on it to view more details about the connection between your Facebook account and Deliveroo. Step 4. Remove Deliveroo. Once you have selected Deliveroo, look for the option to remove or remove app. Click on this option to unlink your Deliveroo account from Facebook. Step 5. Confirm removal. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the app. Confirm your choice, and Deliveroo will be successfully unlinked from your Facebook account. By following these steps, you can easily unlink your Deliveroo account from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to customer support.